Hi, this is JP LaForest from Studio JPIC. In this video, I will be doing a review of this Rapoo E9070 Ultraslim Wireless Keyboard. And this was provided to me for testing by a store called Banggood, and they're based out of China. And they sent me this demo to try it out. And it comes with one of those little USB things. I don't know if you can see it from there, but anyway, so you put this in your computer or laptop, and that's what's going to allow you to connect to the keyboard. The keyboard is really nice. It has a very sleek black finish, and it has a bunch of function keys on the top in orange. So you press the little function button here, and that gives you access to all sorts of stuff, from adjusting the volume, putting the mute on and off, starting your web browser and your email client, and all sorts of things like that. In the back, it's a very nice metal finish, which means that this is probably going to be very solid and very durable. So that's something I like. And you have a little on-off switch here that you can put it on and off. And in the back here, you have the battery cover. So you just put two AAA batteries and you close it like this, and then you're good. So you just put this into your computer or laptop. It takes about 4 or 5 seconds to set up everything. The box says it is compatible with Windows 8. I'm using Windows 7 and haven't had any issues. I tried it on both the 64-bit and 32-bit Windows, and it worked fine with both of them. I have used wireless keyboards in the past, and I did not like them as much as I like this one. This one has absolutely no lag, which was important to me. And also, when you press a key, it goes automatically. And every time you press a key, it actually types it. That was my experience. I've tried wireless keyboards maybe 10-15 years ago, and I've tried Bluetooth keyboards recently. And from my experience, they were kind of hit and miss. But with this one, I like the accuracy, I like the speed of the typing, and I like the size of the keyboard. And also, even though it's ultra slim, this is slimmer than probably all the cell phones and tablets and everything like that. But it still provides a nice area, so if you press a button, it actually sinks in for quite a nice amount, which is really cool. The other thing I like about this is it does come with a numerical keypad. So if you're used to typing numbers, if you do a lot of spreadsheets like Excel and all that, this is really nice to have. And according to the box, this is a 2.4 gigahertz wireless system, and it's good for about 10 meters distance. The battery life for the two AAA batteries, and by the way, they actually do come with the batteries, and they should be good for 24 months, so 2 years of use, which is really nice also. So the chances of the batteries going out when you're doing something important is very slim. The only downside I see of this keyboard is it has no LED lights anywhere to indicate the status of anything. So if you press the caps lock or num lock or anything like that, you don't have a reminder on the keyboard that you pressed it. The laptop we have actually shows you a pop-up on the screen when you press it, but my desktop computer doesn't, so that's the only issue I can see with this keyboard. Other than that, it performs great right out of the box. You plug it in and it's good to go. So as a disclaimer, Banggood did provide me with this item to test out for them and post a review, but I'm not getting paid to do this, and I promise to be as unbiased as I am with all of my other reviews. And if you'd like to find out more about this item, I posted a link below in the description that will point you to the item on the Banggood store. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them in the box below. If you like the video, please click like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.